What's up everybody, this is Jared from Debaroo.com and I got another video today. We are going to be talking about chatbots. So this is Facebook chatbots. There are a number of different ways where we can implement this into our affiliate marketing business. We have a completely free way, which is going to involve growing a Facebook group and then getting the people from the group over to your chatbot. That's going to be another video, but today's video is going to be about Facebook paid traffic and getting people from your Facebook ads over to a landing page where they will sign up for your chatbot, and then we'll redirect them over to an affiliate offer, and then we will follow up with them through chatbot automation to have more chances at getting that sale. So I'm going to break this down into a two-part series. This is going to be part one, where we will be picking our affiliate offer, then we will be setting up our landing page and configuring our chatbot widget so that people can opt into our chatbot list. Then we will be creating ad images for our Facebook ads, setting up our Facebook ads, and then preparing to launch them. And then part two will be all about how to set up the chatbot automation so that we can follow up with these people for as long as we like or until we get the sale. So let's jump right into finding a product that we can promote with our chatbot and start getting some sales. So let's go. Okay, so I am in maxbounty.com. Doesn't really matter which affiliate network you use, but for this video and this two-part series, I'm going to be using a Max Bounty offer. So what we're looking for in an offer is something that's going to be a cost per sale. So as you can see, this is Erase My Back Pain. It's going to be a product that's going to help people eliminate their back pain, and it pays $36 per sale. Okay, I was going to do this one, but then I saw that you can't run social traffic on this, so we can't run Facebook ads, so we are going to choose a different offer. Okay, so you can just come over here to search campaigns, go ahead and look through the cost per sale ones, see if you can find one that you think will resonate with an audience on Facebook. Another place to look for this is if you just go back to the home page, then you go to top campaigns. This will show you the campaigns that are doing the best on the network right now. So maybe a decent one would be something like blood sugar, Nutrisystem. Anything with keto would probably be pretty good, but you do have to be careful on Facebook with weight loss offers because it's pretty easy to get your Facebook ad accounts disabled. So I'm going to stay away from weight loss for this case study. Actually, a really good one would probably be this one right here, tinnitus 911. So tinnitus is like when people have that ringing in their ear and it's annoying as fuck. So that's a huge problem in someone's life. So if we can present an opportunity for these people to get rid of their tinnitus, I mean, that's huge. That would be huge for them, and it's definitely a huge opportunity for us. Good thing we can run social traffic on this offer. I like that. I like that we can run in Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, and the United States. So those are some tier 1 countries that we can sell to. It has a huge $80 per lead completed sale. That's the commission that we're going to get. And as you can see over here, it converts on completed sale, minimum pricing of $69.95. So potentially they are only paying $70 and we're getting $80 for the lead. So really big commissions and a lot of room to work with in terms of advertising budget. If you want to check out the landing pages that we're going to be sending these people to, you can just click on any of these and you'll be taken over to that. But pretty much what we want from this is we just want our affiliate link. So you can come over here, build traffic link. We are doing social traffic because that's Facebook ads, and I just want the raw link. Then they ask us to pick our landing page. I'm just going to use the main landing page because that's probably the one that converts the best, and we'll copy this and save it for later. Just one more thing to note is that they give some targeting tips. A lot of the offers on Max Bounty don't do this, so this is definitely a bonus for us. We can target people, users age 55 plus, male or female, right of center politically. That's oddly specific, but cool. It's just more good information to know. So we have a little bit of, some information that we can use to do our Facebook targeting. Instead of just blindly throwing something together, we actually have a base to start with. So that's very nice. Okay, now that we have selected our offer, we're going to have to go over to Facebook and we're going to have to create a page that has something to do with the offer that we are promoting. So remember, we are promoting a tinnitus offer. So the ringing in the ears. We want to create a page around tinnitus, and I think a good, doesn't really matter which one you pick, business or brand or community or public figure. So yeah, this doesn't really matter. I'm just going to pick business or brand. And we're going to name this something like tinnitus relief. And for categories, we'll just go vitamins and supplements, because I do believe it is a supplement that they will be purchasing. So now it's going to ask you to upload a profile picture and a cover photo for your page. I would definitely recommend doing this, because say someone sees your ad and then they want to know more about like who you actually are. If they go over to your page and it's just blank, there's nothing on there, it's going to look really sketchy, really scammy, and they're never going to click on your ads, and they're certainly never going to buy anything. So we're just going to do this step. It takes 2 minutes to just go Google some pictures and find something. So I'm going to go do that, and I will meet you back when that is finished. Alrighty, so that is all set. I have a cover photo and I have a profile picture. If you really want to take this to the next step, all you would have to do is post like 2 to 3 articles about tinnitus on your page. Easy way to do this would just be to type tinnitus in here, go to posts, find a post that you like just like this, then hit share to a page, share it to the page that you just created, and you can include the original post if you would like, and then just say something like, oh wow, this is a really great article that I read about tinnitus. So that's an optional step. It just makes your page look a little bit more professional, a little bit more like a real brand, and people will be a lot less sketched out if they go over there and they see that there's some life going on. Okay, so we have our offer. We have the page that we're going to be advertising off of. Now we need to start setting up some Facebook ads. So I'm in my ads manager, and we're just going to create a new campaign. And so there's 2 options that you have right here. We could either go for a traffic campaign, which is going to get us the most amount of clicks over to our landing page, and our landing page is going to have the opt-in for our chatbot. This is definitely going to get us the most people into our chatbot list, and so I'm probably going to lean towards traffic. Another option is to go for conversions, and then we can optimize for purchases, because these people are going to be buying something. So this is another option. This is definitely a good split test to do, conversions versus traffic. See what gets you the most chatbot subscribers, and see what gets you the most purchases, and then you can make some decisions based off of that data. But like I said, I'm just going to go for traffic to start off, and we're going to name our campaign something like tinnitus relief. This is a new ad account for me, so I'm just going to set this up. And if we go back over to the offer itself, we see that we can advertise in these 4 countries: Australia, Canada, UK, and US. So in my locations, I'm going to add all of those. Okay, well that is a lot of people. That is 310 million people. So let's narrow this down a little bit more. Remember, they say 55 plus converts the best, male and female, and right of center politically. So the first thing we'll change is the age. Change this to 55. Alright, so that narrows it down a little bit, but we still have 69 million people, which is a bit too much. So we can narrow this down a little bit more by just typing in something like tinnitus. This is an interest people can engage with on Facebook, and if they've ever done that, then they're going to be put into this group, and we see that our potential reach is now down to 570,000 people. These are people that are very likely to have some kind of connection to tinnitus, and it's a big enough audience for us to work with, so I'm going to stick with that for now. In terms of placements, where do we actually want these posts and our ads to show up? If we're targeting 55 plus, those people are old and they are not on Instagram. So we're going to keep it on Facebook, and we're just going to keep it in the Facebook newsfeed. So I'm going to turn off, I'm only going to use Facebook newsfeed, no stories, no contextual spaces, no apps and sites. I'm just going to keep it on the Facebook newsfeed. So this is 560,000 people. I'm going to leave on desktop and mobile, because I don't know which one's going to convert best. This is definitely another thing to split test. I think older people are going to be on their computers more than their phones, so it might work better, but you never know what's going to convert best. Here you can set your daily budget. I would just start off maybe, $5 to $10 a day, with a couple of different ad sets and a couple of different images. Remember, our offer pays out $80, so we have some room to work with to get some data. It's going to be a big sale once we get it. So this step really just depends on what you're comfortable spending every day. Okay, now we are on to the ad level. So when you set your identity, make sure you set the correct page. And this is the page that we just created before, which is the tinnitus relief page. And we're just going to use a single image. And so here we can add media, but we don't have an image yet that we can test. So let's go create an image right now. Okay, so I pretty much just Googled tinnitus cartoon. I want to get just a picture of someone with ringing in their ears. The goal of this ad is really just to get someone to stop scrolling. In an image like this, if they're dealing with tinnitus and they see something like this, they're going to know immediately what it's about. As long as we can get them to stop and read a couple sentences of our ad copy, then that's exactly what we want to do. So I'm just going to take this picture. Images like these are probably copyrighted, so take them at your own risk. And I am not responsible for whatever happens to you. So I'm just going to take this. I'm going to come over to canva.com, which is a free tool that we can use to just create graphics. So I'm going to come over to create a design, hit create a design, custom dimensions. I'm just going to go 1024 by 1024 to create a nice square image. Then we can upload our image and throw that right in there. And I'm just going to make it so it actually fits. Okay, it looks decent. I'm going to put a border around it just so it stands out even more. So I'll do shapes, box. You can change your color of your border by just clicking on it and adding a new color just like this. So I was just picking a nice yellow that is actually the same color as these bolts. This will stand out a little bit more and hopefully get us more attention. So when you're done with this, just download it. Righty. Now we'll go back over to our Facebook Ads Manager, add some media, upload. And we will use that. Alright, so this is kind of what it's going to look like when someone's scrolling on their phone and they see it. So now let's add some copy. Alright, so I just came up with some quick copy right there. It's not great. I literally threw this together in about 2 minutes. So we just have tired of the constant ringing. We've tested dozens of remedies, and this one has worked wonders. How about this one has worked the best? Again, it's still pretty garbage. Can definitely be improved. That would be another good split test right there. But just for throwing something together real quick, that's what I came up with. And then the headline is just click here for relief. And just to add some scarcity, I have the offer ends tonight. One thing we can do to just spice this up a little bit is to use some emojis. So I'll come over to pilliapp.com, is that what it is? pilliapp.com/Facebook symbols. I like to add these arrows. I also just added right here, click below to get started, and we'll add a nice little arrow right there. How about like a green check mark for right here? Don't overdo it, but 3 is plenty, just to draw some more attention on where to actually click. And so the last thing is our website. But this video is getting a little bit long right now, so I'm going to go into setting up the landing page and configuring our chatbot into the next video. So that is all I got for right now. Keep in mind that in this video, we picked the offer, we created the page that we will be advertising off of, and then we even went ahead and set up our Facebook ads. So the next step is just creating the website, getting the chatbot configured, and then we will have a Facebook ready campaign that you can test and hopefully get some results off of. So stay tuned for part 2 that should be coming out shortly. Hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. One last thing, I just want to...
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.